Hey there, it's Josh Colback here from Advanced Coupons, and today I'm going to show you how to make a WooCommerce coupon for BOGO that is based on a group of products. So having a group of products together and being able to use a coupon to say buy one of these group of products and get something out of that group of products for free or for a discount, 50% off or whatever it happens to be as the deal. So I'm going to go ahead and make a coupon offer here in the back end of my demo site. And I'm using a plugin called Advanced Coupons. Now, Advanced Coupons has this neat feature called BOGO deals. And what you can do is specify a trigger and an apply type. Now, there's three different trigger types and three different apply types, all the same sort of thing. The one that we're looking at today is called any combination of products. And what it does is let you select a group of products. They can be related in some way or not. And it's totally up to you and based on what your product catalog is like. So let's get stuck into the demo here. So what I'm going to do in this one is look at beanies. Now I know there's a couple of beanies in my demo catalog here, and I want the customer to be able to choose either one, up to them, of their choice, buy one of those and get either one of those beanies. Let me put those products in, and they should be able to get one of those beanies for free. So I'm going to choose an override price. So this is your classic BOGO buy one get one free in the most classic sense, but it's based on a group of products where you have multiple products to trigger the deal and multiple products to get in the deal, and you don't know which one is which one the customer is going to choose. It's totally up to them. Now, the next part that you need to do is set the message. So you can actually show a notice to your customers when they have added something to their cart that is eligible to trigger a BOGO deal, but they haven't actually added the thing they're going to get, so the apply product at all, meaning they haven't fully satisfied the deal. What you can do is show a message to this person saying, you can get another beanie for free if you add it to the cart. And you can have this this add a button as well. By default, it'll just add a default button there back to your shop page, but you can also just customize that, maybe send them to a particular product or a particular product category or some listing where they've got eligible products. So what we're going to do now is just publish this, and I'll test it on the front end. Okay, and I forgot to tell you that I called my coupon BOGO group. So let's go to the front end of the site here, and I'm going to just go to the store where I have my beanies. I'm going to add one of these products to the cart, and I want to show you how it shows this message first. So I'm going to go to the cart page and add that coupon, BOGO group. Apply the coupon, and what I'm expecting here is to see that notice saying that you can get another beanie for free if you add it to the cart. And what I'll do is go back to that page and I'll add another beanie, but this time we're going to add the beanie with the logo, which was the other one that was eligible in that deal. So this is one combination of the deal. You can do it in any sort of way. You can trigger it with a beanie with a logo, or you can trigger two beanies or two beanies and logos. It's up to you. So what this does is it's given the beanie, it always gives the cheapest product as the discount. So in this deal, it's detected the beanie as the first one and it gave it a free price. So basically negative $18, which zeroed out the total for that product. So that's how you add a WooCommerce BOGO coupon that works with a group of products, not just a single product. We do have other videos for single products and also for product categories if you want to go and check those out in the description below.